Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl AdityIyer. Happy New Year, you guys. It's a brand new year. I'm so glad to be joining with you guys. Today's video is all about an amazing planner that I have with me. This is my planner kit. It's called as a My Positivity Kit. It's absolutely indeed my positivity kit only. I'm gonna show it to you guys in a minute. And it's from the brand Cover It Up. So this is the beautiful planner from the brand Cover It Up. Absolutely loving it. Look at the cover. It's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. So this is not a regular planner like other brands, you guys, just having like Monday, Tuesday, weekly overview, to-do list. Is more of a journal type thing, or you can use it for anything. Now I'm going to tell you how I'm going to be using it in the end of the video, after giving you guys a run through of complete planner overview of what exactly it is all about. It's a very colorful, cute little planner with bunch of stickers on it. It's a really cute thing, and I got the planner bundle, which means I got other accessories along with it. So let's get started. It's the cutest planner that I received, you guys. It comes in a beautiful cardboard box like this. So once you open this, and this is exactly how the products look, you guys. It's a beautiful planner. It's got a cute cover. The spiral bonding on here. The quality is absolutely great. It also comes with all of these kit as well. To-do list and to buy list. Bunch of paper as well for you to write it down. Now the next thing it has is Make It Count calendar. It's a very cute calendar, and it's actually a desk calendar. You can just like keep it like that on the desk. Perfect to make a note of the dates and all of that. It's really cute one. The quality is really great. It's a spiral bound and also very small. You can actually carry it in your bag as well if you want it. There are also some stickers provided, and these are the cute little stickers. Now these can be stuck on the phone or laptop or inside the planner itself. You can just use it anywhere else you want. Now this one, when we come to this is actually an affirmation card, you guys. It comes with a bunch of affirmation cards, and I absolutely love each one of this. Really cute. I'm not going to be showing you guys everything, but you can just see: believe in yourself, heal, learn, grow, love. Absolutely love it. Be it light. It's okay if it is your not day. It's a great things to actually keep you as a reminder. This is amazing. I just love all of these cards. It's a cute little print, and it's a beautiful colorful cards as well. This is the planner, you guys. It's super cute. It has got this beautiful animal printed planner all the way, and it's a decent spiral bound as well. On the back, this is exactly how it looks. It's from the brand Cover It Up, and absolutely love it. It's a very gorgeous planner. Now I'm going to be running you through the complete planner as well, but this is the planner overview of it. It's a very cute little planner, super colorful and really cute. As you open the page, beginning of the new journey, and I love the color combinations of it. Now as you open the first page, there is an option called as a bucket list. It's such a little cute one, and letter to my future self, something that I absolutely love. This year I will start, quit, learn, improve, try, give. All of this that you really want to do this year, you can just make a note of it here. And this is also really a nice addition to it, certification of appreciation. And there's also a scratch card over here. Basically this scratch card has got a reminder, gentle reminder to do what you can do to better today, like smile at a stranger or something like that. That'll actually make your day better. And every single month has got this scratch card option. You can just scratch it and check it out. And also beginning of the month, you have all of these beautiful clothes on this colorful page. Also a specific page for goals of this month, and yeah, it comes in a beautiful colored pet tab over here. One of my favorite pages is the affirmation page. So you can just write whatever you want to write for the particular month. That's going to exactly set the tone for the rest of the month. And also the things that you're looking out for the future. You can just write all of that in this page. Now as we move on, it says like doodle when you're happy or not sure, pissed off, angry, sad, and all of it. Now this is a great page. I totally love it. So here's the page for you to write down your stressful thoughts and destroy them. So you can just write whatever that's happening in your life, and you can do either of this, like burn it, throw it, scribble it, flush it, whatever it is. Yeah, it's a nice way to clear up your head if you're actually feeling overwhelmed with anything that's happening in your life at that particular moment. You can definitely make use of this page. This is the starting of the month. Now this is like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's an undated planner, so you can use it as and when you feel like using. You have a bunch of blank spaces, 5-6 blank pages you have, you guys. Not like a regular planner wherein you've given like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, write in, to-do list. You can actually use it as a journal if you want to write something down. Again, it starts with the next month. Again, the same scratch card option is here. Then it again opens on to beautiful quote, and again the same thing. Now every single month has got a different quote, different color, and all of these colors are really beautiful, and these work perfectly well. As you can see here, I'm going to show it to you from the beginning. So these are like, this page is actually good page. Every single month has got a different page, like list 5 compliments that you can give it to others. What is that one thoughtful thing someone did to you recently? This again, create a forgiveness list of those who have done you wrong. Very important to move ahead in life and not be stuck in the past. So this kind of pages are really thoughtful, absolutely wonderful to anybody who wants to have a better mental health. Now in the end of all of this, you guys, you get a beautiful page here, a page here to keep all the stuff. This is where I plan exactly on keeping the information cards in it, so that I can just keep revisiting them every now and then. End of December month, you get this page where it's a photo dump. You can just put pictures of something that's favorite moment or anything that has happened in your life that particular month. It comes with a bunch of stickers. Since it's an undated planner, it comes with the cute little stickers like that. On Sunday, Monday, any important days in your life or something really wonderful happen, you can just note it down with the stickers. And this is again really cute, important, urgent, and yeah, works really great to write something down. And also this is exactly what I want to use, you guys, like the mood tracker. I really would love to use all of this in the page. And also it comes with a lot of stars like this, like birthday and quotes and things like that. These can be used for sticking it on the planner. That's it, you guys. This is the planner, you guys, and so true to the name as my positivity planner. It's absolutely cute and must have for every girl out there. It's an undated one and very affordable. I'm going to be planning on using it like for the self-growth, self-improvement, just to check about my emotional health, mental health, physical health, and all of it. This is going to be more of a lifestyle-based planner for me. You can just journal whatever you want to journal, or you can just write your thoughts on it, or you can just review how your day went, or if your situation is really bad, you can just check about the different perspective of it and all of it. You can write. The blank pages are absolutely up to you. You can write and do anything with it. So they also come with 5 different cover models as well. I chose this one because I totally love the color of it and everything about it. So this one is available for 1,399 rupees, you guys, and it's absolutely worth it because the quality is really great. The pages are really thoughtful, undated ones, so you can use it any time of the year. And the kit, the affirmation cards and the calendar and everything, it will be costing around 1,799 rupees. It's a great product. I'm so glad to be starting my amazing 2023 with such a great amazing product, which is going to be a part of my life. Have a blessed and a great, healthy, happy year all round, and definitely do stick on to some positive growth and self-growth as well. So if you found this video useful, do not forget to share this video with all your girlfriends, and of course don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. I'm going to be coming with a lot of different content this year, and if you want to talk with me on a personal level, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. I'll definitely get back to you. Yeah, I'll catch you guys next week with a brand new video. Until then, it's your girl Aditi signing off. Take care. Bye bye.